Hello friends, today I am going to show a program which is written in Python which is used to connect to the database PostgreSQL to display the specific record from PostgreSQL. So we will go through the program. First of all, we need to load the driver, that is import psycopg2. In JDBC also you might be loading driver like org.postgresql.driver, same manner. Then tkinter is a GUI toolkit, comes from tk interface. It is a standard Python interface for tk GUI programming. Then root is equal to tk function window with title bar. Then function to retrieve the particular record from the database. Then this is the connection string which is used to connect to the database PostgreSQL using Python. Then cursor libraries, it is used to execute the statement to communicate with Postgres database. You can create cursor object using cursor method of connection object class. Then query to display specific record from employee table EMP11. Then args enumber to pass variable number of arguments to function. Then cursor to execute the query. Then row is equal to cursor fetch cone to retrieve the particular record of the query. Then label to display text in label. Then cursor close and connection close. Then display function, then take the user input. Then label to display the text in label. Then you entered then string and then font and that this thing place for the particular location you want to display the window. Then retrieve rows to retrieve the particular rows. It should come in integer format because I want to display 1 record, 2 record, 3 record. Then frame is used to organize group of elements. Propagate is used to manage the size of frame. Then label to display text in label, enter employee number. Then entry element of GI to display single line of text. Bind function is used to deal with events, mouse events. Then t1 dot place and this thing to display the particular window. Then root main loop, it is tk class is used to create a root window. The main loop receives event from the window system and terminate when the user click the close button. Okay, now we will see the database from which you want to display the particular record. PSQL select star from EMP11. Okay, 11th record, 12th record, 11th record is Sachin, salary is 56,000. So we will run the program. Now enter the employee number 11, record has been displayed 11 Sachin 56,000. We can check it. Yes, then if I will use 12, okay. So this is how I have used Python to connect to the Postgres database and display the specific record from the Postgres database. Thank you.